everyone, my name is Cheshtha and I have been the part of Unison Institute for 2 years now. I joined Unison Institute for the foundation batches and now I got 95% in boards and 98 marks in maths. The best part of the Unison Institute was definitely the teachers and the high quality lectures I attended on a daily basis. The essence of my success is of course the lecturers who seem to share unquantifiable knowledge. Jatin sir is my maths teacher and is a great motivating force. He helped me with a lot of assignments, questions, doubts, notes and arranged a test series for us to help us realize our potential. I even remember when my board exams were going on, I used to go to institute and ask hundreds of doubts to him and he never sent me home with one doubt clinging to me or left. It is my immense luck and fortune to be a part of Unison Institute. I would like to give all the credit of my success to Unison Institute. Well, my turn is over and I have made my parents proud, and it is your turn to make your parents proud now. I strongly recommend this institute to all the children aspiring to become doctors, engineers and hoping to get a great percentage. All the best to everyone.